Kajing pentrekam jangka sarkar jela ya ke skim one time settlement lani OTS na kabenta ki trai kali da ka ba map teng ya ke khajna bat ka bai pentama ya ki kot kali kala long shisha kajing ya rap ya ki trai bat ki nong nya kali kumju ru ya ke tanat transport usembut menteri rangba uba snyo balang dar ulaong baling ba kajing pentrekam ya ko OTS da ka ba map teng ya ki khajna ki bedai ban siu ke tanat transport kala ïohlum kumba ar pau klur tingka hadu mentah Ukermen bakat haduk bandakut kepor ke babo, haduk kalai puai terik mentau nailar arajar apun riu, kejeng ïohlum ling bakas skim OTS, kan kot syaka aspa klur tingka. Uba adhar ukentui ki trai kali ban syemi kejeng Myntoi nakani ke OTS, namar ka deka wain nakilat, kabla terwajan sor raka sorkar, kum kejeng kesan kejeng yarap ike babo kali kamai, wakum ju ike nongnya kali kamai. Kumban penken mau kasorka jela kalama no kumba pras pa aklur tingka ya ki khajna bat ka bai pen thamai got kali kanang ban ai la de ki trai kali bakin la ban beteng biang ban siu ki khajna kabla pen sa teng la bon bon snem
By 31st August, because the deadline is 31st August. Till today already crossed 20 crore plus it seems. So hopefully they will come for now is the last day. It may come close to 200 if they come on. Maybe 160, 70, there is not actual, I cannot say about, but almost close to 200 if they come forward. Yeah, recover. Let us wait till the, and that also figure is moving every day, no? Not a fix. They will lose. Simple as that. Such a best scheme government given to them. If they miss it, it's up to them. Maybe I should say it's one of the best scheme. So hopefully they will comply. They will comply. And I think I'm very sure it will touch to 80-90%. It should be. You see, this is a fine. This is a fine almost, so it won't affect. But yes, if you get me, it's additional. So yeah, maybe there is some part affected, some part, but maximum is not affected because it's a fine.